I'm really nervous. I don't know what to teach. We are not here to chase the perfection. The consistency matters a lot. Purple, as purple is a dark and dominating color. When you're painting it, you have to be very careful. We will be doing the lemon, how to make the shadow color, how to make that. We will take this liner brush and burn sienna. Change the size of the lemon, different colors. You can experiment according to your choice. Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi. Welcome to season 1, episode 2, Tally Art by Sakshi. Hi, how are you? Okay, so do you know tomorrow I am going to take my first acrylic session. I'm really nervous. I don't know what to teach. Like I saw many tutorials, but everywhere I can see there is a lot of blending. And I was trying, but it was just not working. Can you just help me like what exactly I can make which will look attractive and easy to do? See, you should take something with a good color contrast, easy to make and very beautiful looking, something like that will go very well. I got it. I have one painting in my mind. Let's do it. So now we are going to make a lemon, like 2 lemons hanging from the branch, and leaves and the lovely background. So I have already made this measurement. It's 1.5 cm each, so you all can see this clearly. Alright, so you will make this now. So we are going to make lemon and the complementary color of lemon is purple. If you want, you can do the stripes purple if you want a high contrasting painting. If you don't want high contrasting painting, you can just go for some other color. I would like to go for this one, crimson. Before we paint the stripes, we need to sketch the lemon. So we are not supposed to paint this lemon. We are not supposed to paint the stripes completely. We are supposed to leave that space empty wherever there is a lemon. So let's go. Now I'll take my pencil. You see, you need to take care of the measurement and you need to take care of the proportion. You can't make it too big, you guys can't make it too small. So coming from here, do it roughly. Don't bother about the pencil marking. It is easily erasable. We will make a thick oval. As lemons are really thick. We made 2 ovals, one big and one small. You all can take a big leaf here. You all can make the... See, as this is a second class, in the first class we learned all about materials, which material can be used and everything. So that's why I want to keep this as simple as possible so you guys don't feel pressurized about it. So there will be one half leaf going out of the frame, so it looks natural. I will just add one single leaf over here and I'm done. So you will just make a very simple notch here. A very simple notch here. Now isn't it looking like a lemon? See, whenever you guys are sketching anything, you need to break down that particular object into simple steps, so you can get a good one and you can get it easily. Alright, we are done with it. So see, if you want to change the size, of the lemon, you can completely change it. There is no problem. You can make this one small, this one big. You can shift this up, down, here and there. That's absolutely okay. It's your painting. You can modify according to your choices. So, as we have this thick stripes, to make our work easy, we will be using this flat brush. This is a filbert brush actually. I don't have a flat brush. in a smaller size. So see, this is a flat brush, okay, and this is a filbert brush, okay. I don't have this in a smaller size, so I'll be using my filbert brush. It will work in the same way, and I'll be covering in this way, okay. We are not here to chase the perfection. It's okay even if you go here and there. It's okay even if it is little wiggly, that's fine. And once we are done with this one, whatever lines a small section will be remaining here, we will be doing it with a small thin round brush, okay. So we can fill it easily because this is a very thick one, so we can't use this for the borders. Now see, we will not paint this completely, okay. We will leave this area and we will paint it here. There is a reason, because we are using the stripe color as crimson, it's very dark, and lemon yellow is very light. If we do light color on the top and dark in the background, there are high chances that it will be visible when we will if we color the stripe, it will be visible through yellow color, okay. If your object is dark, then you can paint this whole background, then that's not an issue, it will get covered. So in the last episode we discussed that the consistency matters a lot, right? I'm using a tube color and you can see the consistency is very thick, okay. So I will take 1, 2, 3 and I'll make it watery, not too much, but at least we should be able to color it easily. Okay, mix. Okay, so if no matter which color you take, if it is thick, kindly make it thin. Then now, the next step, you have to be very comfortable when you are painting, okay. See how you will be covering. You can hold it. It's better that you keep your paper in a sleeping position and do it. Okay, you will be covering the borders. Yeah, can you see how well it is getting done? You're not supposed to take the paint again and again, okay? Only once it is over, then only take it. Okay, so slowly and steadily you will cover the whole canvas page, okay? Alright, so as you can see that we are done with this. Yeah, so we are done with this. Now, once we are done with this, now we will be starting with the leaves. Okay, we will be doing the lemon in the very end. Now, as this is our second episode and we have not learned blending yet, you can just take any color and just color the leaves. Okay, so now, see, I would like to have a neon green effect as the background is dark, okay. So what you will do is you will take your lemon yellow and you will mix it with a very little bit of green. Take any kind of dark green, okay. See, it is very important how much color you are taking. So I'll be taking this much. Okay, mix, yeah, and I got it, the neon one I wanted. I'll just keep it here. So this is what I got, okay. Now once I got this one, I can take any brush and I can do it. I'll just take the same, I don't want to waste my color. When you're painting it, you have to be very careful. Color the border first properly and then you will color it in, okay. If you want, you are good in blending, so you can of course blend it and make it gorgeous, more gorgeous. I mean, you need to wait to get this stripe dry, okay. We are done with this. It's looking very nice so far, right? Okay, so now we will be doing the lemon, as we have not done the blending sessions yet, but I would like to do little bit of blending here, okay. I'll be teaching you how to make the shadow color, how to make the highlight color, and how to make the base color. Okay, it's okay if you skip the blending, as this is the second session. Okay, you can just skip the blending and color the lemon yellow with the lemon yellow color. This is lemon yellow, this is the base color. To get the shadow color, we will always mix the complementary color with the base color. So complementary colors are those which is opposite to this color in the color wheel. Okay, I'll be taking out my lemon yellow as a base color, one more yellow for the shadow color, and one more, a very little yellow for the highlight. Okay, now I'll be taking my same filbert brush, as I have taken out from the water. I will just wipe it out. I am going to show that the light is falling from the top. The shadow will be here, light will be here. Okay, so first let me do the base color somewhat here. We don't want much water. I'm mixing this purple and white properly, as this is too dark. Okay, so I am not allowed when supposed to take too much color. This one, or else that will become very. Okay, that's it. Now I will be blending this, see, with very light hand. Okay, so now as you can see, I have too much of dark color. I will wipe it out properly. I will take my regular yellow and I'll take it from here and I will blend and I will go down. Okay, I will take my highlight color and I will color on the top. Don't worry, slowly and steadily it will come to life. Okay, now I will be blending this. As you can see, now it's looking better. I just need to take more lemon yellow. And I need to blend this line. Still I feel this is too dark, right? It's just way too dark, even I'm not liking it. I will just take more and I will cover it up. I'll just take a little white and I will just make it lighter and I will keep on blending. Now for the final blending, I'll wipe it out all the color, okay? And I will slowly and steadily blend. See, you have to go in the direction of the lemon, of the yellow. Just a little bit. Okay, I would like to add a little white here. So now see, purple plus yellow, yellow, white plus yellow, more white, and over here you will add very less purple, as purple is a dark and dominating color. Got it? So we got this beautiful one. Now we will be starting with this one. So now we are done with the lemon. Okay, so again, yellow plus purple, yellow, yellow plus white. Okay, and you have to just blend it with very light hand. Don't add too much of water. Okay, if you add too much of water, it will get transparent. Okay, so see, if this gets dry very fast, then you will just add a very teeny tiny bit of water, like 1 or 2 drops of water, and then you will keep on rubbing and you will get it. We will take this liner brush and burn sienna. Okay, now very slowly I will be taking this. Okay, so Slowly and steadily you will do it. No need to rush. Okay, and you will do this branch little thick. That's it, and we are done with it. See, once this is dry, then you can take your eraser and erase the small pencil lines. I'll do it later on. So this is how it is supposed to be done. It's okay if you go little here and there. You can change the measurement of the stripes. You can change the size of the lemons. You can paint the leaves with different colors. You can experiment according to your choice. I hope you liked it. Do watch my previous episode if you're still confused about which materials to take. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. We are going to make many more useful tutorials like this. And I hope you are clear with it, right? Okay. So this is how it is looking like. I will just show you in here. Okay. You can give this to anybody. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video.